What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to transcribe with Descript. So here on our Descript account we have some options here under what you want to do. So you're going to go over to transcribe a file and you're going to click on it. And here it says upload a file, so we can drag and drop a file and see what it does. Alternatively, of course, you could record and start transcribing. If we click on record and start transcribing, you're going to need to allow your microphone and camera permission for Descript to use it. So you're going to say allow. So you can see we turned off our camera, but you can turn this on and you can see the waveform right here. You can see the selected microphone, no screen shared, and we're going to say record. Then in 3, 2, 1, we've begun. So in this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to transcribe with Descript. We hope this works out greatly for you and you can finally find a solution to transcribe your audio. So after clicking on the stop record icon, it's currently uploading and transcribing your media. So we're going to wait. This is currently about 60%. And you can see upload and transcription complete. So we're going to wait for that to go. And here you could try some of these first edit effects. So you have studio sound, add captions, etc. So we have this captions toggled on. We're going to click on apply to project, but of course you could click on skip because right now it's currently transcribing our audio right here. So we just need to wait for a moment for that to happen. So here you can see in this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to transcribe with Descript, exactly what we said in our recording. So once you have this, you could go ahead and name your creation first Descript or first transcript. So we've got that, and we could go over to the top right corner, click on export. You could export it as an audio timeline or transcript. You could also upload it as subtitles. We're going to click on transcript because that's what we want. You can see the format. You could have it in docs, plain text, or any other option. So we're going to just put it in plain text. This is really up to you. And you have some other parameters you could set right here. Click on export and you can see it's ready right here. We're going to open the transcription file. And as you can see, we have our transcript right here. So this is how you get to transcribe with Descript. Of course, if you want to use an audio, you could come to the top area right here, click on the drop down. You can see new composition, click on it. Then you can drag and drop a video file. We could try that out. I'm going to drag and drop a video file and you can see it's currently transcribing. It says your transcribe will be ready in a few minutes. You could also set the number of speakers. In this video, there is one speaker. You could put the speaker name. You could also check the language if you want, but it's currently on auto and we could say done and we'll wait for the transcription to be ready. And as you can see, we have our transcript from this video ready. You can repeat the process of exporting from the first example we showed you. And this is how you get to transcribe with Descript.